to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. In today's video, I am super excited to bring to you a little unboxing. I know I'm a bad girl. I did not need this. However, this is something that was extremely unexpected and I did not plan on buying anything else anytime soon, but I saw this and I was like, that is like pretty much exactly what I've been looking for. And I will tell you more details once I unbox it, but without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button, and if you want to see what I picked up in this little tiny Louis Vuitton unboxing, then keep watching. Okay, so first, before I unbox it, I have to tell you how this all came to be. You know that there is always a story, and if you don't want to hear the story, feel free to fast forward, go ahead to the unboxing, but I do want to tell you how this happened. So I was looking on Instagram and there was a girl, her name is LV Stephanie Tysons. She is actually a client advisor, and I follow her and I checked her stories and she showed the cutest little item. And so I immediately screenshotted the picture and I sent it to my sales associate. I said, do you guys have this? Are you getting it in? And he said, yes, we are actually supposed to be getting it in on the 31st of July. So he went ahead and he put me on the list. But you know, sometimes when you're on the list or waiting list, you just don't know for sure if it's gonna come in, because certain items, especially in the monogram, can be very difficult to get. So anyway, you might recall that while I did my recent video, what's in my Locky BB, and if you haven't checked that out, I will link it down below, my sales associate actually texted me and told me that it was in, so I got to go pick it up, and I'm so excited to share it with you. This is an item that I feel is going to be really useful, and that's one of the reasons that I pulled the trigger and I got it. I do try to be good with my purchases and only get something if I think I'm really going to use it, and this is really going to come in handy. So let me go ahead, let me just stop jibber-jabbering, let's get into it, and then we will talk about it a little more. So it came in this beautiful Louis Vuitton box. I absolutely love how they package it. It comes in this little dust bag. Do you guys have any guesses? Now on Instagram, a couple of you did guess it right. The item that I purchased is the Louis Vuitton RECTO VERSO in the monogram. You guys, how incredibly beautiful is this? And when I break it down, you guys are going to be so excited, because this is going to be like your one-stop shop. Like, you're not going to need a wallet, you're not going to need a key pouch, this is just going to be that item that you can use for everything. So let's go into it a little bit. You guys know how much, if you've been watching me for a long time, how much I absolutely love my Louis Vuitton Empreinte key pouch. So this is extremely similar to it, and I definitely was on the hunt for something in monogram, and I'm just so excited about it. So let me go ahead and let me show you all the cool features of it. Well, first off, let's talk about the price. It was a little pricey. They said it was going to be $625, but to my surprise, again, it's still expensive. To my surprise, when I got into the store, the sales associate was like, well, it's not $625 anymore, it's $590. So I'm really happy about that. It is a little more expensive, and the reason I think that this is a little more expensive is because you can use it in a lot of ways. Like, it's not just a key holder, it's not just a wallet, it's not just a coin pouch, it's actually all of those in one. So they are going to charge you a little more. Plus, in addition, you have the monogram, the beautiful monogram on the front, and then the back, you can see that it has the black. Oh my gosh, so nice. So let's go ahead and let me break it down. So first, on the front, let me give you the dimensions of it. It is 5.12 inches in length, 3.74 inches in height, and then it is 0.98 inches in depth. So this is the first time I'm actually like holding it, touching it, seeing it in person. So this is really a true unboxing. We are experiencing this together. So the first thing I like is it has this cute little envelope style pocket with the gold pressed stud closure. So then you open it, it opens like this, and you can see it has the beautiful black interior. And this is a nice little pocket because you can put cards in here, you can put your ID, you can put some folded up cash, and then you close it like this. It has this beautiful gold zipper with the LV on it, which is so beautiful. has this L-shaped zipper like this. It's a really large pouch. You can use it for coins, you can use it for cards, you can use it for bills, you can use it for receipts, and then it also has this D-ring. So it's great. You can use it as a keychain, you can attach it to your favorite bag as a charm. Love this. And then to make things even better, on the back here, you're gonna get 3 credit card slots here, and then you're gonna get like a little pouch right here. So I am so incredibly excited about this because this is in the monogram canvas. And the thing that I love about the monogram canvas is it's really carefree. If it's an item that you use every single day, you don't really have to worry about getting it dirty, because if you do, you can just take an unscented baby wipe and you can kind of wipe it off. But I feel like this is just going to be amazing for an everyday wallet. Okay, so let me tell you why I'm so excited about it. So I brought out a couple other pieces and I want to kind of explain to you why I think this is going to be so great. So let's first talk about this. This is the Louis Vuitton multi-clay or 6-ring key holder, which I absolutely love. But the thing about this, so what I would do is I could take this to the gym with me in the morning, and you could put your ID or card in the back. But the one thing I didn't really like is it does go all the way through. So sometimes I do worry about my cards or cash coming out of it, but it's really only good for a couple cards or maybe your keys. Then let's talk about this little guy. This little guy here is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I love this. It comes with a D-ring. You can put your cash, you know, everything in here, but you can tell there's not like a ton of space. So you might still kind of feel like you're missing a couple things. And then we have this one. Well, this one is the Louis Vuitton key pouch. I love this. This is my favorite. It has the little envelope style here, the D-ring. It has the zip in the back. So I love this so much. That's why when this came out, I was super excited. So this is very, very similar to this. And actually in the future, I can do a comparison video. But I just think this is going to be so great because, like, if I go to the gym, I can connect my keys here. I can have credit cards here. I can have, you know, my ID in here. I can have coins or cash. It is just your one-stop shop. I feel like I need to keep saying that because sometimes when we go out, we don't want to carry a handbag. We just want to grab something that's going to have everything in it. And I think that this is going to be amazing for that because it's going to house everything so well. Plus, I love the sleek design. So you can see compared to my key pouch, which I love, you can see this is a lot thicker and this is really thin. Now I'm sure once I put more items in it, it is going to be a little thicker, but I just think this is going to be amazing. So as you can see, when I saw this, I thought to myself, oh my gosh, I just have to have that piece in my collection because I really feel as though I'm going to get so much use out of it. And I have to tell you, I couldn't wait to unbox it because I'm definitely going to use it tomorrow morning when I do go to the gym, and I'll tell you how I am going to use it. I'm probably in here, I'm going to just put a little bit of cash. In here, I could put some coins or I could put the majority of my credit cards. And then on the back here, I can put some of my major credit cards and then I can attach my keys. So I will have everything. If you don't want to do it that way, like if you don't want to use this large pocket for coins, you can just attach your keys and put it in here. There are so many different ways to use it, but I think this is going to be amazing. So what I'm going to do, I am going to insert some close-ups so that way you guys can see what this wallet looks like in case it's something that you really, really want. Now, don't get me wrong. I still love these guys here. These are some of my favorites, but these are some of the more popular items. So I just wanted to kind of explain to you how they compare and why I feel like this one is different. And once I've had it for a while, if you guys would like me to do a comparison video between any of these, I'd be more than happy to. But I really think because of the monogram that this is going to be really durable, and I feel like it's going to be perfect for an everyday wallet slash key holder slash card holder cash/coin. As you can see, one size fits all, everything, love it. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm so incredibly excited to use it. I really think this is gonna be a great addition to my collection. But if you are able to get your hands on this piece, I definitely think you should, because I think it's definitely gonna be a great item to have in your collection. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. If you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe down below. I make a ton of fashion, unboxing, makeup, beauty, hauls. I kind of have a plethora of everything. You could call it maybe a little bit of a smorgasbord on my channel. I like to do a little of everything. And if you haven't checked out my recent closet tour video, I will be sure to link that down below as well. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you again for taking time out of your day to watch, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck.